Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Your seed phrase is backed up and your device is secure. Open the Tether Wallet app and sign in with your PIN or biometrics. Next, choose the correct network, Ethereum, Tron, or Omni, because that determines the token format and fees. Once done, copy your receiving address from the selected network and double-check the prefix. This prevents lost funds. Make sure contacts or clipboard cleaners aren't altering the address before you share it. You'll proceed with transfers and management. First, send a small test amount to confirm the route and visible fees because networks and fees vary. Then, when sending larger sums, set gas or fee manually for the desired speed. This avoids stuck transactions. To convert between networks, use the wallet's built-in swap or a trusted bridge, and always check price impact and slippage settings. Once swaps complete, verify balances and pending transactions in the Activity tab, so nothing is overlooked. You finish by confirming the final balance and saving the transaction ID for records. If you need to recover access, re-import the wallet using your seed phrase only and never expose your private key. If a transaction is stuck or missing, first check the network status and current fees, then try replacing the transaction with a higher fee if supported. If problems persist, contact wallet support and provide the TZID. This lets them diagnose the issue quickly and helps you recover or trace funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.